Basketball, you betcha. I'm back in the building, ready to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed. It is the Daily Trainer, and I am ready to get this week started. So let's go. So today I want to introduce you to just a quick layup series. There's a variety of layups you can do, but this one is just very quick, easy, and simple, as you're going to go through a regular layup, a jump stop layup. After the jump stop layup, you're going to go with the inside hand, or to better explain it, the opposite hand on the strong side. You're going to use your underhand to scoop it up and lay it off nicely high off the glass. Now, if you just kind of want to practice getting the ball up, you can go overhand and use it as well. But typically when you're playing in the game, you're going to use that underhand scoop, as you've seen Steve Nash do back in the past. But some of you may not even know who Steve Nash is, but he was very good. And then we have our reverse layup, okay, with the inside hand. That's going to be on the opposite side of the basket. Then we have our reverse layup with the left hand, okay? And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just remember, it's a regular layup to start. You're going to jump stop, inside hand. Then you're going to go reverse left, reverse right, okay? Now, you're going to do this 2 times each. You can go through the whole cycle, or you can do each layup twice. Whichever works easiest for you to kind of give you that repetition. This drill can get pretty tiring, especially if you're not making the layups. So the goal is to make these layups. And since we're doing layups, we want to go right into our footwork. So we're going to throw the ball out, we're going to jump, stop, and catch. And now we're going to work our footwork since we're working the attack from the elbow. So it's pretty similar to what we're doing already, just to get a little bit more layup work in. Okay, but remember, we want to work our pivots, we want to work our jabs, and we want to work on being low so that when we extend on our step, we get that extra step ahead of that defender. Okay, so basketball U, those are 2 drills that I want you to really work on and start with right now. And then I'm going to have you go 5-spot layup just for some more conditioning. All right, you remember, you're going to go from the corner, the wing, the top, the wing, and then the other baseline corner. You're going to go back to that baseline corner, then the wing, the top, the wing, and then the other baseline corner again. Let's try to finish all of them. Then let's get to the free throw line and let's make a couple free throws. Today, let's go about 3 free throws. All right, let's go with that. And then while you're sipping this water, let me give you a quick conversation. So as I was reflecting, as I was training someone else the other day, I thought to myself that no one really goes in the gym and works on defense. So if we can achieve aggressive, offensive ability, at some point, a player is going to break. So if you can understand how to keep putting offensive pressure on someone who lacks the ability to be in shape and put defensive pressure on you, it's going to be very hard for that defensive player to win that battle. So basketball U, not only is being in shape important, but also understanding the advantage of that and using it against your opponent. Basketball U, I'm just trying to give you a little gem here. That's it. But go ahead and put that water down. Let's get back to it. Okay, speaking about defense, we're going to get right back to it. And we're looking at just being aggressive on defense and really putting pressure on somebody. So we're going to work zigzags, as this is going to work somebody going side to side up the floor. We want to work on pushing off, dropping our hips, turning, and really pushing off to get in front of that defender. And then don't forget, once we get to a certain point, we're going to sprint back down to our original spot. Then after that, I want to go with our NBA drill, kind of like that 4 corners. Okay, we're going to sprint down, we're going to slide across, we're going to backpedal back, we're going to slide across, slide back, sprint, slide, and then backpedal back. Okay, so we're going to do that 3 times, as well as the zigzag 3 times. And then the next drill that I want to do is I want to make sure we are sliding all the way around the perimeter and just really working those hands and those feet all together with that slide around the perimeter. Okay. And then just for conditioning purposes, because I'm going to add defense and conditioning because that's kind of goes hand in hand, we are going to run a quick liner, and then we're also going to run around the perimeter as well. And then we're going to do a quick 10 sideline with the basketball. Okay. So that's what we're doing, basketball U right there. And what I want to see in this is just effort. If the speed isn't there, it's okay. I understand. It's the beginning of the week, and we're trying to push through. So basketball U, that is okay with me. Also, we're going to get to the free throw line, and we're going to shoot 5 free throws. So don't forget that. And then we are going to look into some more dribbling drills. So go ahead and grab another quick drink, and let's get back to it. Not much shooting on the agenda today, so I know you guys are probably ready to turn off the episode. Don't do that. We got to work on those handles too, right? If you can't get to your spot, how are you going to get your shot? Think about it. Come on, basketball U. Like, comment, and subscribe real quick, and share it with somebody, as this great workout is keeping you moving and keeping you grooving through this whole process. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to work our handle. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We are going to start with 2 balls. Okay, we're going to go 2-ball dribbling, and with 2-ball dribbling, we're going to just alternate that ball, get us warmed up, and then we're also going to do high pounds today, just high pounds only, walking up, walking back. Okay, we're going to do this 3 times for 20 seconds. Once we've done that, we'll be nice and warm. We're going to get those cones out now, and we're going to go through the cones. Through the cones, I want a simple crossover. I want through the legs. I want behind the back. Okay, then after you're done with that, you're going to put them all together. So then you're going to go crossover on one set of cones. Boom, the next cone you're going to go through the legs. The next cone, you're going to go behind the back. Okay, so it's good to have a little bit of that variation in there as we continue to get better at our ball handling. And then what I want again is through the cones, we're going to keep it on the same side. So we're going to go double cross. Then we're going to go through the legs cross. Then the last one, just for your challenge aspect of things, we are going to go cross through. All right, and that'll be the last of the dribbling on the move. So that's going to be perfect for you. I think that's just enough. Then to get you going, instead of doing a liner, I'm going to have you do 3 full court pushes, right? On both sides of the floor. You're going to make your right layup, then you're going to make your left hand layup. So you're going to go full court push, right hand layup, left hand layup. Then I want you to do our drill where we're kind of not a zigzag, but you're coming on one cone, you're crossing over, you're crossing back, and then you're getting and finishing there. So I want to see that drill, and I only want you to do that 3 times. You're going to do that on both sides as well. And then we're going to get into a little bit of agility and a little bit of extra work. All right. So that'll be the last thing on tap for today. Let's get it. Okay. What we haven't done in a while is our single leg jumps. I want to do single leg jumps in a square. So be sure to do that. Remember, that is going to be 3 sets of 10 each leg. Oh, those burn a little bit too. So remember, as you jump, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That counts as 1. And then you keep doing it with the one leg, but you don't take a break because you have one other leg to do it on. So you use that break during your other jumping of your other leg. Then you're going to put out those cones a little bit for me, and you're going to jump tuck over those. Okay, so I want you to jump, bring those knees up, tuck over, jump down, make sure you're landing perfectly. Okay, then after we do that, I would like to see 1 leg hops over. Okay, then I want to just see 2 leg pogo hops over. All right, so that's going to be great for your agility there. And then we're going to get to our agility with our cones, where we're stepping over the cones, stepping back. We got our 2 feet going at the same time. We also got our 2 feet going side to side. Extra work that I would like to see from you today would be 500 jump ropes. Okay, so there's no extra running. There's no more conditioning. I want to see 500 jump ropes, good speed, Make sure you break them up into 100 each set so you don't wear yourself out to where you're not jumping properly through each set. All right, basketball you. That's all I got for you today. I appreciate you. Great work. It's getting hot out there, depending on where you are in the world. But guess what? That's never going to stop us. And why is that? Because someone's always working. Are you?